let's talk trading. Most people think it's just gambling, a flashy casino where luck rules and skill is an afterthought. The media loves stories of overnight millionaires, but that's like calling lottery winners financial geniuses. Real trading isn't about luck, it's about skill, discipline, and strategy. Think of it like poker, not roulette pros. Use knowledge and calculated risks, not blind hope. Successful traders treat it as a craft, making informed decisions, not wild guesses. They study, plan, and act with purpose. That's the real secret. Trading is a skill, not a punt. So, what does trading skill look like in the real world? It's not just about making quick decisions or having a gut feeling. True skill in trading is built on a foundation of knowledge, discipline, and a willingness to learn from every experience, good or bad. It all starts with research, digging deep into a company's finances, understanding how the business operates, and analyzing industry trends. Skilled traders look at future prospects, read between the lines of annual reports, and stay updated on news that could impact the market. They know that preparation is half the battle. Next comes technical analysis. This means reading charts, spotting patterns, and calculating probabilities. It's not about predicting the future with certainty, but about stacking the odds in your favor by recognizing signals that others might miss. Risk management is absolutely essential. Never bet the farm on a single trade. Skilled traders always set stop losses, diversify their positions, and know exactly how much they're willing to lose before they even enter a trade. They treat risk as something to be managed, not ignored. The pros have a plan for every trade: when to enter, when to exit, and what to do if things don't go as expected. They map out their strategies in advance, so they're never caught off guard by sudden market moves. They calculate exactly how much to risk on each trade, making sure no single loss can wipe them out. This careful approach helps them stay in the game for the long run. They write down their rules and stick to them, no matter what emotions say. This written discipline keeps them focused and prevents impulsive decisions. This discipline turns chaos into structure, transforming the unpredictable world of trading into a process they can control and improve over time. Trading skill is about being calm, methodical, and prepared. It's about keeping your emotions in check, even when the market gets wild. It's not about luck or hunches. Real traders don't gamble. They make informed decisions based on evidence and analysis. They keep detailed records, review their past trades, and constantly look for ways to improve. Every win and every loss is a lesson. That's what separates amateurs from professionals. A commitment to learning, a structured approach, and the discipline to stick to their plan, no matter what. Patience is a trader's superpower. It's the quiet force that separates the amateurs from the professionals. In trading, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of the markets, but true success comes from knowing when to wait. In a world of instant gratification, waiting for the right setup is tough, but essential. The urge to jump into a trade just because the market is moving can be overwhelming, but patience helps you avoid unnecessary risks and costly mistakes. Skilled traders know when to sit on their hands and wait for the right opportunity. They understand that not every moment is a good time to trade, and sometimes the best action is no action at all. Impatience leads to forced trades and poor results. Acting on impulse can quickly turn a small loss into a much bigger problem, and emotional decisions rarely end well in the markets. Once in a trade, patience means sticking to your plan, not panicking at every price wiggle. Markets are full of noise and volatility, but reacting to every small move can sabotage your strategy. Trust your analysis, let your strategy play out, and don't let emotions dictate your moves. Remind yourself why you entered the trade in the first place, and have confidence in your preparation. Patience also means respecting your stop loss and not hoping for a miracle recovery. Accepting a small, planned loss is part of the process, and it protects you from much larger setbacks. Following your plan with patience removes emotional chaos. It brings clarity and discipline, allowing you to learn from each trade and improve over time. That's how you win in the long run. Patience isn't just a virtue in trading. It's your secret weapon for lasting success. Let's take a closer look at the difference between relying on luck and following a well-thought-out plan in trading. Meet Lucky Lucy. She jumps into a hyped stock without any research, driven by the fear of missing out and the excitement of quick gains. She's constantly checking her phone, reacting to every market move, and letting her emotions guide her decisions. Lucy rides the wave up when the stock is hot, but as soon as the hype fades and prices drop, she panics. Instead of sticking to a plan, she sells at a loss, feeling regret and frustration. Her trading is emotional, chaotic, and stressful. She's always chasing the next big thing, but rarely finds lasting success. Now, let's look at strategic Steve. Steve takes a different approach. He researches companies thoroughly, waits patiently for the right entry point, and sets clear rules for both risk and reward before making any move. When the price drops to his target, Steve buys with confidence. He always has a stop loss in place to protect himself and a target set for taking profits. Every trade is part of a bigger plan. Whether he wins or loses, Steve manages his risk carefully and reviews each trade to learn and improve. He keeps a trading journal and reflects on his decisions. Lucy is essentially gambling, hoping luck will be on her side. Steve, on the other hand, invests with discipline, using skill and strategy to guide his actions. Over time, it's not luck that wins. Consistent skill, planning, and learning from mistakes lead to real, lasting results in trading. That's the true edge in the markets. Having a strategy, sticking to it, and improving with every experience. So, if you want to succeed, be a Steve, not a Lucy. Choose discipline and planning over luck, and watch your trading journey transform. Every trader faces losses, no exceptions.